wash your hands if you use the bathroom at home?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Adrienne, why does Adrienne ask questions like this?
Yeah. You know what? Latasha, tell her about it.
No, hold on.
Latasha, tell her
You need to wash your hands after you use the restroom.
Yes. Wait, let's give Aid. Hold on. Not at home. Give Aid. What did I touch? It's my house. No, but after you use the bathroom, you touch your behind, girl. No, the toilet paper touches my behind. I don't touch my behind. Not this skin.
Oh my.
Your hand does touch things, and I'm not always touching my behind.
Wait, no, have you?
Sometimes
never mind.
Go number one.
Look at Latasha's face. Look at Latasha's face.
Latasha, don't judge me.
I will say this about you. You never
I never get sick. My whole household right now is sick. Guess who's not? Me, because I like germs, and germs go to work. No, I'm not being funny.
You're nasty, you need to wash your hand. When you use the washroom, me have to tell you, you're a big woman. You're a big woman, and me have to tell you. When you got the washroom and you use toilet paper, because we are woman, you have to wipe crotches and body. And better make sure little drip where you get after your pee-pee, you have to go touch your hand, wash your hand dirty. Okay? Wash your nasty hand them, wash your dirty hand them. Me have to tell you, you're a big woman and me have to tell you, when you're there in your yard anywhere, use the washroom, you have to wipe, you got to touch something, wash your hand. And the reason why everybody else sick and you're not sick, is because you sick them with your germs them. And you sick them. What's wrong with you, man? Israel talk to you, man, talk to your wife. You make she cook for you with that dirty nasty toilet batty crutches on. Nothing no better than that, man. Come on national television and tell people, say, you know, wash your hand when you go to the bathroom. Could I invite me over here? Me nah come.